Hello friends, based on one of your comments, we're back with a brand new idea. Today we've made a homemade vegetable cutter machine. It slices carrots smoothly and cuts cucumbers perfectly as well. Simple, effective and made at home. Now let's begin the build. For this project we've made the frame using a PVC pipe and shaped the body with PVC sheets. We've taken the PVC sheets and done the markings. After marking, we cut them as per the design and now all 4 pieces are ready according to our plan. So friends, now we join all the parts using super glue. We fix everything carefully and apply super glue properly on every joint to make the structure strong and secure. Now we make a hole in the PVC sheet for the main power part, just as you can see here. The hole is made perfectly in the PVC sheet. Now we fix the gear motor carefully. The motor is now securely installed. Tighten it with a nut and make sure it's firmly secured. This part of the setup is now fully completed. Now we'll fix it just like before. Add super glue. And friends, we've got something for you in this video. Before we continue, a big shout out to Altium for sponsoring this video. Altium is known for powering some of the world's most advanced PCB design workflows, and if you're a student, Altium offers something incredibly valuable, the Altium Student Lab. It gives you free access to industry-level design experiences and a complete PCB learning program that walks you through everything from core concepts to practical design fundamentals like layout, routing, manufacturing and supply chain basics. You will work on real-world projects, build job-ready skills, and on an official course certificate that helps your resume stand out and open doors to future opportunities. Enrollment is completely free, so if you want to take your electronic career to the next level, check out the link below and join Altium Student Lab today. Now we're adding the female DC power jack and soldering it with the wires we've prepared. To fix it, we first mark the structure with a pencil. Marking is complete, cut it carefully, and then neatly install the power jack into the circular hole. Now we place the on-off switch into the second hole, solder all the connections carefully, secure everything in position, and finish the motor wiring. Once the wiring is done properly, we secure the PVC sheet using super glue. After applying the glue, we install the gear, and this upgrade almost doubles the machine's power and performance. Now the gear is installed, we take a PVC sheet, mark it with a compass, cut it neatly, and both pieces are ready. Now we mark and drill the moon-shaped piece, place it over the gear, and fix it with super glue to complete the structure. Everything fits perfectly here. Next, we take the circle, carefully mark it with a pencil, and cut it precisely, just as you can see here. Now we take 4 PVC pieces like these and carefully align them over the cut holes, then securely fix each piece in place using super glue. Now that both holes are fixed, we carefully work on them with the cutting blade, making sure each cut is precise and neat. Now we join it to the full structure and secure it with super glue. Next, we fix a half PVC pipe piece onto it using super glue, making sure it's attached very securely. Now we fix the transparent acrylic sheet, cut in a circle, on top using plenty of super glue. Now we carefully fix a transparent pipe into the small circle using plenty of super glue to secure it. With this step complete, the entire assembly is fully ready to use. To power it, we use a 12-volt battery, connect the male DC plug to the female DC jack, and turn on the switch. As soon as we switch it on, everything starts running smoothly and perfectly. Friends, I'd love to hear what you think about this project in the comments, and feel free to share any new ideas you have, because your support truly means a lot to me. I sincerely thank each one of you for all the love you give to my videos. I also want to give a special thanks to Altium 365 for their constant support, which really helps me a lot. So friends, stay tuned for the next video, where we'll work on another exciting project. Until then, goodbye, take care and keep creating.